Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be cleaning the laundry room and also a bathroom. I have no idea why the laundry room gets this bad, but it does. We've got art things and school things and garbage and Play-Doh and cleaners all over the counter here. It's not going to be that difficult to clean. It's one of those things I've just put off for a long time. I can shut the door and out of sight, out of mind. But today is the day that I've decided to tackle this room. So right here, I'm just going through and I'm putting away all of the school stuff in the first shelf. And then there's a shelf that you don't really see that I have art supplies. So we're doing that. I'm throwing away garbage. The rugs that are right by me, those are actually clean. I just haven't brought them out to where they're supposed to be. And the sink here has some things in here. There's hangers and some pictures, flashcards, some soap. So whenever I clean a room, I first start with the surfaces. Usually the surfaces that are up higher, so like a bed or a countertop or a nightstand or a dresser, and then I work my way down to the bed and then to the floor. It's just the way I like to do things. I don't think there's a right or wrong way to clean a room necessarily. And these are rugs I washed a while ago and I just never put them back into the bathrooms. And you can't see right here, but there are a ton of baskets on the floor. So I'm just taking the baskets out so I can get to the floor and eventually sweep it or vacuum it. And now I'm putting all the cleaners away. I love this laundry room because there's a lot of storage. There's so much storage that I'm not even using, not even half of it. But I have some ideas what I want to do with it. What I'm thinking is to store all the sheets for the beds in one of these cupboards up above. Instead of storing the sheets in everybody's room, I think once I wash and dry them, it'll be really nice just to fold them in here and put them in the shelf. That's kind of what I'm thinking with some of the shelves. But I have a lot more to figure out in here, but I've got time. Now I'm using scrubbing bubbles on the sink and the countertop. And there's a spot right here that is soap that just, I don't know, some soap spilled. We use this sink to bathe our puppy. Well, he's not a puppy anymore, our Boston Terrier. And so I'm thinking when they did that, they just spilled a little soap and never cleaned it up. But now I'm drying everything. I love, love, love how things feel when it's clean. And I don't know why I put off certain projects in my house, but this was one of them. I've got a few other areas in the house that I'll be focusing on this next week because I've been avoiding them. And once I start doing a job that I've avoided forever, I always ask myself, why did I wait so long? It wasn't that big of a deal to clean it. It goes pretty quick. And this is the floor. It's a mess. I'll just pick everything up. I'll grab the garbage and throw that away, and then I'll pick up the cleaners. There's a few cleaners on the floor and the clothes. I just kind of, when I clean, I think of things in categories. Grab all the garbage at once, grab all the clothes at once, grab all the toys, and that's how I can get things done the quickest. Make me feel like, oh, the type of fire that burns from within, shining
safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side.
Okay, before I sweep, I'm gonna wipe down the washer and dryer. There, I'm just showing you the dust. They didn't look real dirty from where the camera is, but they were so dirty. I absolutely love this washer and dryer. It's one of the Maytag models, and I had the same set in my other house, only in white. These ones are in gray. They are so nice. They work so well. It has the biggest tub inside that I've ever seen, and it's perfect for my family of 6. We live in the desert, and I think we get a lot more dust than some other places might get. And now right here, I'm sorting a laundry basket that is full of just random things that need to be washed. It's stuff that I didn't have a whole load to do, and so it never really got done. And I just put a clean rug on the floor in here, and it feels so good. It smells good. It's clean. Everything feels so good in here. And now this is my kids' bathroom. I'm going to clean this next. First, I'm just putting everything away that's on the countertop. I need everything off the countertop so I can scrub it. I'm using Clorox again because this is the sink, or this is the bathroom they use, and 2 of them are sick. So I just want to make sure everything is sanitized and clean so we're not spreading more germs. I'm wiping down the soap. And now I'm just wiping everything down. Scrubbing the sink. I usually have specific microfiber cloths that I use for my cleaning, and also sponges, but they were all dirty for this video, so I'm trying to use paper towels, but as few as possible. I absolutely love this camera. This is my newest camera that I've been using. It's not real new. I've been using it for a couple of years, but it's probably the 4th or 5th camera I've bought, and I love it so much. It works so well. If you're interested in buying this camera or checking it out, I have a link to my Amazon store in the description of this video. You can check it out on there. And now I'm going to work on the floor, just putting everything away so that I can vacuum it and shake the rugs out, or wash the rugs. I love to wash the rugs every time I clean my bathroom. And now it's time to use my vacuum on the bathroom floor. It's working so well. You can't really tell in this video, it doesn't even look that dirty, but it was.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love?
And now these are the sheets that I just washed for my son that I had taken off this bed. And this is where I store his sheets for the next week. So he always has clean sheets ready to put on his bed.